Now try this one, you put back.
It's a video. Okay, maybe they put it somewhere. There's the boat or not. Pause it. Pause the video. I'm calling the okay.
There's a solar panel.
Okay. But you still do the panel too.
S3U.
The same PT.
300 watts. That was 1, 2, 300 watts. We have the third one, 300 watts.
Why?
Here we go. Another 300 watts.
Okay, you got this one. See, there are some of these that are taller than the other.
300 watts.
I want short one anyway. She said 1, 2.
No, another 300 watts. 300 watts. 300 watts. That was the 8th panel in total. This is the inverter. Charge controller. And the battery rack. I don't think.
Okay, grease. Really, no, I've seen battery.
And it's talking oriented.
After the one wrap. Ele abi.
Ní kini water gauge.
Okay.
Ma ko so ẹ wá fi de ẹ wá tún de ba. The water gauge.
It's up and down.
I made the one you battery.
Without thinking, at all. Men at work.
Shirt is better. Buy a shirt better. Which one you dey do now?
I dey find wetin I go.
Méjì lẹ máa kọ́kọ́ gbé wọlé bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ máa tò sísàlẹ̀.
Okay.
tó tẹ bá wà tó báyẹn ojú wọn á fèsì ra wọn. Do you need what meter?
Okay. Guy, have fun. Man, I told the rope for you.
Yeah,
Let me tell that multimeter come. So I even village people with their cause. They say, but this thing is strong. They never use juju drag this one.
Lock that thing. Use plier press it.
I don't get plier here.
Take. Hi, big. Now my will be that. My will get cellophane. Maybe this thing.
One.
For 3 volts. We want 3. I go add 1, making it 9. So go to a go for person. 3 pan. Pan will be 3 and series.
How what to do?
Hey.
I think I new panels.
Leave my phone. Naya.
Bring out this thing.
Okay, this one will be good. So
Another one, did you? Come on, that thing. Abi?
Put down.
See? Wait, but you know, say there where you supposed hand. I beg, give me chair, make I stand, make this hold. Let me make it.
Confirm. Hold it down. Anti-fabric.
yellow.
Sama apa?
Yo. Where you come? Why they come connect this one for you again?
Okay.
Okay, see.
It's not fun. It's not fun. DC wire.
The certain side in this one. I don't know if it's what it's here. Well, what problem is this? Better, maybe better.
You know, so 2 wires are coming out. The one coming out, all the 2 wires now are coming to the protective circuit here. So the one that we are doing here is the one that is going to the inverter.
Maybe I should wait for you to bring the bigger.
Huh?
Lord, let's wait to it. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Which one is that?
I said the 2 wires that are coming out here, they are going to the inverter. One is charging the inverter and one is sending power out. Then we use the local language, mains and load.
Okay.
Oh,
Give me the black. Give me the black.
Okay.
that's not what I'm not the man.
Then come out now.
They talk say lights don't come now. We are load them to lights.
Slow down. This guy.
What's Ah.
The inverter don't pick.
Yeah, you know, he go wait. Now this before it speaks, it has speak now.
Okay, what you
There's no error on the electricity. Thank God.
There's no error. Wait.
There's no error.
Some don't be down, it go show now.
Now.
Wetin dey turn? No be now go show.
Now it go show now.
Wait.
It still remain 5%. And now
On their electricity, there's no error.
there's no
But in
error.
the house,
There's no error.
There's no error. If there's error, this thing go jump from 5% now to around 15 or 20%.
okay, the
So there's no
usage,
error.
ba?
The usage.
Okay, and that one.
Everything don't palash now. But I can't tie this board. But please, you do me a favor. When you want to nail. Good day, everybody. My name is Paul Akinusi. So this is another installation we just did. We have our breaker. These are protective circuits here. Now, protective circuit, we have our AC breaker, a DC breaker, a DC surge, and an AVR, that is voltage amps regulator. Then we have our 100 amps knife changeover switch. Here they are using a BEDC, that's Benin Electricity Distribution Company and / generator. So if it's here, it's between BEDC and gen, and if it's down, it's on inverter. This is our Felicity charge controller, 80 amps Felicity charge controller, and you can see the charge controller is working perfectly now, picking up amps. We have 4 batteries, Gale Power Indian tubular batteries, tall tubular battery. We have 4, and this is a 3.5 kVA. This is a 3.5 kVA 24 VDC battery running at maximum input of 230 VAC and 24 VDC and at 50 Hertz. So this is the battery indicator, and this is Proenergy solar. Although it's an hybrid inverter, but we decide to use a separate charge controller for it. And you can see from here, let me shift it back to inverter. Can you see the load percentage here? So you see the load in percentage, you see the input of voltage here. We decide to put off the alarm so that it will not be disturbing the occupant of the house. So we have 8 panels on the roof, 300 amps, 8 panels connected, 2 in series and 4 in parallel. That's a matrix of 2 by 4. You know, it's an MPPT charge controller, so it will definitely balance the load by itself. So if you need an installation like this, you can call us. If you are within Nigeria, call 080-380-15711. And if you are within Nigeria, call 080-380-15711. And if you are outside Nigeria, you need to have the country code +234 80-380-15711. I repeat, +234 80-380-15711. You can watch much or more of our installation on my YouTube channel, Installer Pod. That's www.youtube/installer installer Paul, or you just press installer Paul on your YouTube channel or Akimi support. It will bring out some of my installation. And I don't only install solar and inverter, we also do CCTV, we do electric fence, we do home automation. I'm a certified Centurion gate installer, so I do gate installation as well, access control, and we also offer training on ELV generally. ELV stands for extra low voltage devices. Thank you very much and stay blessed.